Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, northern Grundy County in northeastern Illinois, southern Kane County in northeastern Illinois, until 9:45 a.m. At 9:05 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Earlville, or 8 miles west of Sheridan, moving east at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. The strongest winds will move into Kendall County. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Aurora, Joliet, Plainfield, Oswego, Batavia, Yorkville, Morris, Channahon, Minooka, Plano, Sandwich, Coal City, Montgomery, North Aurora, Sugar Grove, Boulder Hill, Diamond, Newark, Millington, and Big Rock. Including the following interstates: Interstate 80 between mile markers 104 and 122. Interstate 88 between mile markers 108 and 120. This includes Aurora University, Getawwood State Park, Grundy County Speedway and Fairgrounds, Illinois Math and Science Academy, Walton C. Community College, and William G. Stratton State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe